So, this is actually going to discuss the new version that just got an update today. Well, I'm using the new version that got an update a few weeks ago, maybe a week ago, but I'm still seeing accessibility issues regarding the base. Now, I did contact them last year in terms of Android and accessibility. iOS and accessibility, last I checked, was great. I could build the base, and they actually took the time to make the base builder very much accessible. Now, the issue that I'm having with Zombies Run in general is with the base, and I'm going to be showing that. I did contact them last year, but to me, what I gathered from their email was it was not a high priority of theirs, which that's actually to me not good because, I want to be able to build my base up just like everyone else. I want to vary it. I want to maybe drag something somewhere else or destroy it, or not the base, but destroy maybe a house or a farm or whatever if Able gets a little bit too crowded. And I don't want to buy an iPod just to do this. That's a waste of resources that I could be spending and devoting somewhere else, like to my podcast or, whatever, new hardware, software, etc. So I have Zombies Run open. By the way, I use TalkBack, which is built into most phones. I'm using a Motorola Z2 Force, but the experience is going to be the same on a Galaxy or an LG. It was the same last year, and I hope that it changes. So, those of you who are listening, please be sure and spread, this around. Tweet at Zombies Run Game. That's all one word, at Zombies Run Game. And here we go. So, I have the app launched. The tabs don't read at the bottom, but that's okay because they read when I click them. Ignore the sounds on the phone. I use them to actually know if I'm scrolling, or if TalkBack crashes, I can know exactly what's going on. And the sounds are very musical to my ear. So let me actually turn that down just a little bit so that way it's not too loud for you guys. All right. So I'm going to click the base. That's the third tab over, I think. 1, 2, 3. So now here comes the trouble. I'm going to start at the top where I see my defense, and I forgot what the numbers are, but at the right I can share it. And I'm just exploring by touch. That's all I'm doing. Now I'm going to hit the add button at the lower right. And I'm going to, let's see, I think I have enough. I'm going to choose farm. And I can't drag the thing anywhere to place it. I can't do it. I can't do it. So there's got to be a different way for TalkBack users and voice assistant users, which is on a Samsung, and Shine, which can also be downloaded, but most of us do use TalkBack and voice assistant. Now, voice assistant is only on the Samsung devices, and you guys at Zombies Run or anyone else can test the game to be sure that accessibility is added. So I can't add this. I'm going to click cancel. And I really do hope that accessibility for the base builder can be looked into, because it's been a year now, and I thought that this would be a priority, and it's sad. It really is very sad that it is not. So with all that being said, I hope that can change.